Upon a time, in a bamboo forest nestled high in the mountains, a baby panda was born. This adorable bundle of black and white fluff brought joy to everyone who laid eyes on it. The little panda's journey began in the heart of nature's embrace. In a cozy den, the panda baby nestled close to its mother, feeling the warmth of her gentle touch. Its curious eyes blinked open, taking in the world for the very first time. The forest whispered secrets of adventure, and the baby panda couldn't wait to explore. Leaving the comfort of the den, the panda baby stepped out into a world of towering bamboo. It hopped and tumbled, playfully chasing its own shadow. With each wobbly step, it discovered the joy of movement and the thrill of discovering new places. Under the watchful eye of its mother, the baby panda climbed a tall tree. Balancing on a branch, it felt like it was on top of the world. From this vantage point, it saw other pandas munching on bamboo and heard their gentle chirps. It longed to join them. As the panda baby grew older, it learned the art of bamboo feasting. Sitting amidst a grove of swaying stalks, it nibbled contentedly on the tender leaves. The crunchy sound echoed through the forest, accompanied by its occasional giggles. One day, the baby panda encountered a sparkling river, reflecting the sunlight like 1,000 diamonds. It dipped its paw into the cool water, discovering the joy of splashing and the magic of ripples. The river became its favorite playground, where it could cool off on hot summer days. In the moonlit night, the baby panda frolicked with its siblings, rolling and tumbling with laughter in the soft grass. They chased fireflies, their twinkling lights illuminating their playful dance. Together, they formed a bond that would last a lifetime. Years passed, and the once tiny panda baby grew into a majestic adult. It became a symbol of peace, resilience, and conservation. Its presence reminded people of the importance of protecting the natural world and the beautiful creatures that call it home. And so, the cute panda baby's story unfolded in a series of precious moments captured in images. From its humble beginnings to becoming a cherished ambassador of its species, the panda baby taught us the value of curiosity, playfulness, and the wonders that await us in the embrace of nature.